I'll kick us off with a really silly one that's nothing new about the product, but was kind of fun to play with. All right. So we had this conversation in product office hours this week about a lot of our very heavy customization tools in the product, like theming and our Markdown and Vega, and perhaps new types of application experiences in the future. Make for really nice interfaces with AI. And so I wanted to play around with that this morning and just see, like, we have a theme spec. Let me just grab it really quick. That again is just kind of a JSON blob. And so what I want to do is see if I could pass this into something like ChatGPT or some LLM and have it recreate themes for me, given some prompts. And it did pretty well. So this was one where I basically prompted it to create me a Starbucks theme, and it like went out and found the colors and used our spec and created that. Here's one where I just prompted it, and you can kind of see on ChatGPT. What I did is I fed it a sample spec, but I asked it just a few minutes ago, create a Windows 98 theme. It spat that out. It's really easy in our product. Just copy and paste that thing in, builds the spec. I can see it all here. It got the font a little bit off, but added some, some retro theming here. One other example I did, which I'm not going to demo here because it was on some customer screenshots, but we had a screenshot from, like, oftentimes customers or prospects come with their design team that like designed something in Figma, and they're like, hey, this is what we want our dashboard to look like. And I took a screenshot of that, passed it into ChatGPT and said, make a theme that matches this. And it got pretty dang close, which was just a really cool accelerator. So just a little bit of fun and maybe some inspiration for future dev tools that we could build into our platform.
I go next.